Hello everyone, welcome to Arha's Encyclopedia YouTube channel. In the last video we have discussed that types of verbs that are regular verbs and irregular verbs, and in this video we are going to learn uh, other parts of verbs. Like I told that different types of and various types of verbs are there. So among them which are important to us and which is helpful to us, we will learn it. So firstly, verbs are three types. So that are three types. First one is that main verbs. First one, main verbs, and second one is that auxiliary verbs. And the third one is modal auxiliary verb. These are the three types of verbs are there. So firstly we have to discuss about that main verbs. In this main verbs we can discuss that regular verb and irregular verbs. Already in the previous video we have discussed. So now in this video we have to discuss two types of different verbs. What are they? We'll know. So firstly, main verbs are transitive. Transitive verbs, and second one is that intransitive. Intransitive verbs. These are the two important types of verbs. So firstly, transitive verbs. The transitive verbs are nothing but which verbs are follows object, subject, verb and object, and intransitive verbs are nothing but the sentence which is not followed by the object. So that is called intransitive verbs. By the example we can understand much more better. So now we'll discuss about the transitive verbs. So firstly we have to discuss about the transitive verbs. So transitive verbs. Transitive verbs are nothing but that follows object, that is called transitive verb. For example, Vinay drinks green tea daily. So here Vinay drinks green tea daily. In this sentence you can see Vinay is a subject, drinks is a verb, green tea is a object. So a sentence which is follows object, that is called transitive verbs. And one more example, we water the plants regularly. So we water the plants regularly. Here we is a subject, water is a verb form, the plants is a object. So this is an extra information about the sentence. So here we have object, a subject plus verb form plus object. Which sentence follows object in the sentence, that is called transitive verb. And now third example we can see, they drink, Vinay drinks green tea daily, we water the plants regularly, and they play cricket. They play cricket. So it is a simple example. They is a subject, play is a verb form, and cricket is a object. So which sentence follows object at the end, that is called transitive verb. And here you can see, so here drinks, watered, play is a transitive verbs. Why we are calling it as a transitive verbs means that is answered by what or whom. By asking or by using these two words, the verb should be answer. For example, water what, water what. So water the plants, water the plants, water the plants. So this is asked, water what, the plants, object. So this is a transitive verb. Next one. So next, drinks. Drinks. Drinks what? Drinks what? So what drinks? Green tea. Green tea. Green tea. So this verb is answered by asking question what? Drinks what? Green tea. What water? The plants. So which words are answered by what or whom? What or whom? The words are called as regular word. I'll write one more example. You can write in your class notes also. So now we have to discuss one more example. Fourth example. They helped the villagers. They helped the villagers. So here you can see whom. This is a verb form V2. This is a subject and the villagers are the object. So now this sentence have object, and also by using whom, helping verb helped. Helped whom? Helped to whom? The villagers. The villagers. So this sentence or this verb is called as that transitive verbs. By using this kind of different kinds of verbs, we can make various sentences. So practice makes man perfect. So we have to practice more and more. So now coming to intransitive verbs, we have to learn. So coming to intransitive verbs, second one. So intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs are nothing but the verbs are not followed by the object or that are not answered by the what or whom words. That is called intransitive verbs. And example of that. Example, I wake up. I woke up early in the morning. I woke up early in the morning. So here you can see I is a subject, woke up is a verb, and early in the morning is a extra information or a complement. So that is called, now you can see one more example. Many Hindi actors live in Mumbai. Live in Mumbai. And one more example. My mother walks at least 5 kilometers every day. So here firstly we have to find out the verbs. Here wake up is a verb, lives is a verb, and walks is a verb. So here these verbs are followed or asked by what or whom questions, whom questioning words. So, wake up what? So, you cannot say that early in the morning. So, next one, many Hindi actors live in Mumbai. So, live what? Can you write it? Live what means in Mumbai you cannot write because it's not an answerable word. So, same like that, my mother walks at least 5 kilometers every day. Walks is a verb one. So, here you cannot answer by using what or whom word. Walks. Walks. Walks what? Walks what? You cannot say at least 5 kilometers. That is not a proper answer. And also walks whom? You cannot say at least 5 kilometers every day. So these are the words which is followed by the objects, transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. So transitive verbs are nothing but the which is having the proper objectives as objects, or intransitive verbs are nothing but the verbs which is not having object, that is called intransitive verbs. This is the topic we have learned today. So, and also we have various verb forms are there, that are auxiliary verbs and modal auxiliary verbs. So, what are they? First we learn it about. So, right. So, I told you in the beginning we have three types of verb form: main verbs and auxiliary verbs and modal auxiliary verbs. We will discuss, already we have discussed that main verbs, and now we have to discuss about that what is it is called auxiliary verbs. Second one. So, auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are nothing but these are called as helping verbs also. Helping verbs. So, in this helping verbs we have three types of helping verbs, that is be forms, do forms and do have forms. So, we will discuss what are they. Be forms are nothing but am, is, was, were, are. These are all some of the be forms. And now do forms. Do, does, did, done. These are all called as do forms. And now we have to discuss about that have forms. Has, have, had, been, have been. We can use a different kinds of verb form. These are the some more examples in the be forms, do forms, have forms, and that are called as a helping verbs. We have many more. So these are the basic examples from the auxiliary verbs. And we have to discuss about that modal auxiliary verbs. Third one is that modal auxiliary verbs. Modal auxiliary verbs are nothing but can, could, would, shall, should. So these are the examples of modal. We have many more. May, might. So we have many more modal auxiliary verbs also there. These are the basic examples of modal auxiliary verbs. So this is the today's new video, and in the previous video also I have uploaded that regular verbs and irregular verbs. If you understand that previous video, that will be helpful to learn some more better this topic. So in the next video we will discuss that adverbs and conjunctions and interjunction. These are the very basic topics, and after finishing it we will discuss various another grammar topics. Thank you. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you.